If you're looking to create and use workflows for different departments in Process.st, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to streamline processes and improve collaboration across your team, whether it's for HR, finance, operations, or customer support. First, let's talk about creating workflows in Process.st. This tool allows you to design workflows from scratch or use pre-built templates. You'll start by selecting the New Template option. From there, you can choose the department for which you're creating the workflow, like HR or sales, and start building the process step by step. For example, if you're setting up an onboarding workflow for HR, you'll create steps for document collection, interviews, and training sessions. You can even set up automated reminders for each step, ensuring tasks aren't missed. It's really helpful for keeping everything organized. Once your workflow is created, you can assign it to specific team members. This is where Process.st really shines, allowing you to create a centralized space where everyone can see what's coming next. Each department can track their progress, update statuses, and collaborate all in one place. But the beauty of Process.st is that these workflows are customizable. Let's say your sales team needs a workflow for handling new leads. You can design it to include lead scoring, follow-up calls, and email templates for outreach. Different departments can use workflows with different levels of complexity based on their specific needs. And it's not just about tracking tasks. With Process.st, you can create conditional workflows. That means based on how a task is completed, the workflow will automatically adjust to what comes next. This is perfect for departments that need a little flexibility, like operations or marketing, where the steps could vary depending on the situation. Once you've set up your workflows for different departments, you'll want to start using them across your organization. The great part about Process.st is that you can integrate it with tools you're already using, like Slack, Google Drive, or Zapier. These integrations make it even easier for departments to stay in sync and complete their tasks on time. It's also essential to think about templates in Process.st. You can create reusable templates for every department's needs. For example, the finance team might need a month-end closing workflow, while marketing could require a campaign launch workflow. Instead of creating these workflows from scratch each time, templates let you standardize and reuse them, saving a ton of time. Now let's talk about the reports and insights you get when using Process.st. Each department's workflow will generate data on how tasks are being completed. You can track how long each step is taking, how many tasks are overdue, and where bottlenecks are happening. This makes it easy to adjust workflows to optimize efficiency. With Process.st, you're always getting insights into how well your processes are running. And here's something important you should know. If you're new to Process.st, you can start using it completely for free with our exclusive bonuses through the link in the description below. This is a great way to try out the software and see firsthand how it can improve workflows in your organization. Plus, we've got an extended free trial for you. Don't miss out. To sum it up, whether you're in HR, finance, sales, or any other department, Process.st allows you to create and use workflows that are easy to manage, flexible, and integrated with other tools. By taking advantage of this software, you'll boost productivity, improve communication, and have full visibility into your team's tasks. Remember to check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link below.